Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable automatic updates for Telegram on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your app updates and tailor your Telegram experience to suit your preferences. To begin, open the Microsoft Store app on your PC. You can easily do this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store. Next, navigate to the Account menu by clicking on the three horizontal dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the Account menu where you can access various settings. Within the Account menu, select Settings. This option is typically the second one listed in the menu. Click on it to proceed. Now, it's time to disable automatic updates for Telegram. Locate the setting labeled Update Apps Automatically and turn it off. You can do this by toggling off the switch next to Update Apps Automatically under the Windows switch settings. By following these straightforward steps, you can prevent Telegram from updating automatically on your PC. This gives you the freedom to manage when and how Telegram updates, ensuring that you have full control over the process. Take charge of your app updates and enjoy a more personalized Telegram experience by disabling automatic updates with ease.